Hello, everyone. Hope everyone is well. I just want to take this opportunity to say about the dream I saw. Maybe it will help someone. So, in the dream, I helped or I guided two people. One is a child. So, there was a function going on. She and the child is preparing. Maybe she is around 9-10 years. And she's preparing for her speech and a song, and she being nervous. So I'm going to her and I'm telling that it's okay. You don't feel that it's your friends. You're performing in front of your friends, and feel that it's okay, and giving some confident words like you feel, you've been done this so many times. It's not your first time, and you don't have to feel nervous. It's okay. And you've been, your friends are there to support you, so don't feel any tension at all. Then I am moving from there, and I see her performing well, with full of joy, and her full energetic. She was performing that way. Then I see, when I was coming out of that venue, there was a lady who was cleaning the sides of the venue. Somehow she asked me to help her, so I helped for some couple of minutes. Then she said, "Oh, do this job is," she keeps start complaining her job. So when she started complaining her job, she's saying, I don't get paid enough, I don't like it. Then I'm telling her, find happiness in what you do, find fun in what you do. So she said, okay, you do this job and see how it can be fun. So I said, think of that you are cleaning, and you think that you are cleaning, some part of your body, like your heart. Or my grandma used to say that whenever I wash vessels, that thing that, you're cleaning your heart and taking the, anything touched in, particles like dirt or anything from the heart. You're cleaning to be so pure. So she used to tell me that way. So I was telling the same example to her, like, think and, maybe play music and, clean. And she said, no, that's not possible. I cannot do cleaning like that. Then I asked her, what do you want then? What is you need? She said that it's very easy for you to say, but it's not, things are not like that. I want a gold bar. I said, okay. So what kind of gold bar you want? Then she was laughing sarcastically and saying that, do you think that, it's possible to get a gold bar? Just person like me? I said, you need to believe it first that it is possible. Then she said, okay. Then she was saying, okay, what? Then I said, okay, how much, exactly, how long? So she says it's like a 10 centimeter gold bar. It's kind of a Kit Kat that long. It's a gold bar. I said, okay, then think about it. Then I asked her, what do you feel when you get a gold bar? She said, I'll feel happy. Then I asked, what do you do with the gold bar? She said, I will sell it, and I buy what things I want. Then what is a feeling when you having that gold bar? And so she started to think about it. Then she said, okay, I have this, I will be a bit content. So I said, okay, hold on to that feeling that, what you having the gold bar in your hand and you're holding on to it. So we spoke about for, 10-15 minutes. Then she said, okay, kid, you go. You go to your way, it's fine, I'll do the rest of my job. So, I went from there, and in the dream I see next day, I'm going in the same place with I think I have friends or my children or, some people, family was with me. And we are walking along the road and I can see a queue of people, like, there's been lines in the queue. And then I asked someone that what's happening here. So someone telling me that, that one lady, the cleaner lady, she got a gold, whatever, slab or whatever, gold plate. So is it so? Yeah. So she is telling that how she got, and people are listening to her, like how she got it. Then I hear she saying in a microphone and it's a loudspeaker, so I can hear her. So she's saying that, I just imagine that, how the gold bar will be on my hand. Then how the gold will help me to achieve my dreams, and the most important thing is I felt it's already in my hand. So when that girl was talking to me, I felt that gold bar is already in my hand. So I had already that feeling, and I have the same feeling now. So people were asking that, do you know that person who said that, you're going to get that, what you said? She said, oh, I don't know her name. I just spoke to her. So then I'm saying, then she saw me that I'm on the road, and she said, oh, she's there. Okay, then I'm going towards her. Then I'm telling her, I'm so happy that you believed in me, or you believed in yourself more than me, that, whatever you're going to believe, it's going to happen. So friends, what I want to say is, like, you have to, I don't know, it might be, relevant to someone. I don't know who is trying to access this wisdom which I saw, that whether it be gold bar, or whether it is a job, or whether it's the health, whatever it may be, what I want to say is, you believe or you feel that you already have that. Like if you are not feeling well, that feel that, how when you were feeling well, how did you feel it? How healthy you were, like you have that feeling. Obviously you will know that feeling. It's not. Or other thing I can say is, like, feel the pure joy. Think about your pet, or think about your child, where there is continuous joy and there is no revenge, or there is no hatred, anger, nothing like that. When you see, so think about those feelings, bring it in your heart. Then think about what things you need. Then things will fall into places, however hard you think it is. There is nothing difficult in this world. Then I started saying about loving yourself. So when you start loving yourself, then everything will fall into places. So then I see myself, I was crying, I was in tears when I started to say about, how to love yourself. So it's a simple thing. Go to the mirror and say that, I love you. Say your name and say that I love you. I really love you. Look into the eyes and see yourself in the mirror and say, I love you. So with this note, I'm closing. All is well. I am Shiba Thapa. Thank you for listening.